Uh, Today I'll walk through a bot that we have developed using Python and Flask framework. This is a bot that generates text based on Markov text generator. It has a couple of options and they are really exciting. You can see the menus. You can read more about the MisesBot and then about Mises, and you can basically shop as well. If I go ahead and click on activate, then basically it will take me to the MisesBot online. There I can basically see a couple of details about economics, philosophy, politics, as well as war. So basically, if I click on any of these options, it will generate a random text. For example, if I go ahead and ask for book title, the bot will give me a book title. If I go ahead and ask what Mrs. Bot says, then it will give me a whole paragraph about economic policy. If I go ahead and click on Mrs. Said, then it will generate a text that will talk about liberals as well as the couple of details about the Democrats. This is really interesting, and the entire application is automated and uses Markov text generator in the backend, and basically it's a totally AI based bot. And suppose if we want to use something similar to send email campaign or reach our audience with lots of new texts every time, then basically this is something that can be utilized uh, for reaching our audience automatically, but uh, a new and data driven generated texts. Further, you can read more about the product and its profile. The interesting thing, if you go to the shop option, then basically you can buy uh, a cup of it. Um, so that's a detail about the application. Would love to hear feedback and comments about it. Thank you.